The majority of Electrolux S dryers have 8.0 cubic feet of capacity and measure about 27 inches wide. Pair one with a 27-inch wide washer and we're talking about more space than most apartments or small condos can handle. That's why Electrolux recently introduced its front-load compact dryer, which has half the capacity of the company's larger machines but also offers the flexibility and extended drying times of being ventless. At 24 inches wide and deep, the cubish Electrolux Compact is definitely smaller and easier to fit in tight spaces than full-sized machines. Compact dryers are often found hiding inside closets in condos and apartments, though they need the doors open to run properly. This one comes in white, and the LED panel, found on the front of the machine, illuminates with white text. On the dark control panel, there are 8 white IQ touch buttons on the left side for cycle selection, and 1 dryness button. IQ Touch is Electrolux's name for its always-on buttons. The right side has 4 buttons for dry time, wrinkle release, delay start, and chime on/off. Below the panel and LED screen are controls for power, my favorites, temperature, and start, pause. Inside the stainless steel drum, blue baffles offer a nice little unexpected pop of color. It has 4.0 feet of capacity, which isn't quite twice the size of the compact washer S2. 4 cubic feet. Because it lacks a vent. The Electrolux model doesn't need a duct to blow its hot air into the outside world, giving you more options for placement. At 33.5 inches tall, it has a good stacking height, because most people will still be able to reach the front control panel if it's on top of its mate. The compact washer. If you reuse to dryers with vents, the Electrolux compact dryer will require a bit of getting used to. First and foremost, it's going to take longer to dry clothes. The normal cycle says it takes an hour and 44 minutes, while the heavy-duty cycle takes 2 hours and 19 minutes, and delicates will be done in just under an hour. There's a fast dry option that takes 40 minutes. The dryer does have a kit that will let you hook it up to a drain to get rid of the water it tumbles out of clothes, but it's not a necessary attachment if the compact dryer doesn't release water to